This is not a dream.
Hey guys, Accountability Angel here, and we are outside of the State's Attorney's office for LaSalle County in Ottawa, Illinois. Justice Jake just completed his probable cause hearing, in which they will be going to trial in September. They admitted that I was not under arrest by Jim, and they also admitted that Jacob was compliant during my actual arrest. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. So we are going to turn in his revised witness list, which includes the judge. We want him to recuse himself now. Well, Jacob wants him to recuse himself now. And there is that, based on him being called as a witness, because Tom Templeton has made it aware while we had him on video that Judge Ryan was involved in the unlawful policy, had knowledge of it, and had discussed it with Sheriff Templeton prior to a judge's order being made. Because as we all know now, the judge's order was not made until 3/11/21. We were taken against our will on 3/8/21. Justice Jake, how did Jim do on the stand?
Not good. Folded like a piece of paper.
I saw him when Jim walked out of the courtroom, and he looked, I knew right then, I said, you just got spanked on the stand, didn't you? All right, guys, so we'll see. We are here to turn these in, because I am the third party to turn it into him. Yep. And also, they must have saw us coming, to inquire about my battery.
We'll just wait.
Well,
We'll see how long it takes.
We're just gonna wait.
For real. What time is it?
They currently have
I don't have
on 3:09. It's 3:09 p.m. on August 16th, 2021. We are inside of the LaSalle County States Attorney's office, where the window is now closed, and then there's brown paper over that door.
This is the lady.
This is Leela, and her number. Leela is the woman that is bringing the charges against us. She is the woman that is maliciously prosecuting us, along with Todd Martin, who is the actual state's attorney.
What time is it? 3:09?
Yep. So, these guys aren't supposed to close for quite some time. I don't want to sit here and wait. So, I have bulletproof glass, which makes it very hard to catch their attention when we need service. I have left countless voicemails for their victim's advocate. And let's just keep in mind, this is a notice of the victim's rights. As you guys recall, I'm sure most of you at least, Louis Bonts put his hands on me and shoved me around back in December. And I filed on December 18th, I filed a complaint with Ottawa Police regarding that battery. And in the process of him doing so to me, I spoke with Lieutenant Wolford. And Lieutenant Wolford spoke with the sheriff, and they forced that man to let me in the building. So if I was doing nothing wrong and that man battered me, I'm unsure why they are not pursuing battery charges against the man. Hello? This is weird. And in
Well,
this...
there's nobody right there.
In this area of the building, we are allowed to have our phones. There is no judge's order for this area of the building. I feel like they might be playing games.
I feel like they are as well. How am I supposed to turn these
How are
in
we
if they will not accept them?
You have to serve the other party with these. That's what we're here to do. Serve them in person as we have before. Using me as the person to deliver them. And it's been about almost 5 minutes. And here we are.
Hello?
Hello? I have some papers to turn in. Again, guys, this is the LaSalle County States Attorney's office. And the number is 815-434-8340. 815-434-8340. In case...
This is a sweet 251.
Oh, doesn't look that sweet. All right, 5.5 minutes.
So I see a lady right there.
So are they refusing us service?
She's talking to somebody standing.
Hello, somebody's out here. They're gonna recognize my voice if they fuck. This plant keeps touching me. Battery. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys. We have the right to be treated with fairness and respect and dignity and privacy. You okay over there, Rona? From her and be free from harassment, intimidation, and abuse throughout the criminal justice process. Keep in mind, guys, I am a battery victim. The right to notice and to a hearing before a court ruling on a request for access to any of my records, info. The right to timely notification of all court proceedings. Well, they won't do anything to them, so there's that. The right to communicate with prosecution. They won't call me back. It's been, 7-8 months? The right to be notified. Okay. So as you guys can hear, we are knocking. We should ask that guy if he can call there, because
Just saw somebody.
we're going to have to do a welfare check on these people. 7 minutes. Hello, I have court documents to turn in. Is anybody working?
I wonder if this is common practice.
I don't think so. I think they're abusing us. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, good question.
We
We
have some papers we need to turn into you.
I also have a question, as I'm a crime victim and I have victims' rights, and I cannot get somebody to contact me back. You hear that lady? She says, why aren't you guys answering them?
Mm-hmm.
I'll take your papers.
Could I get your name, please?
No.
So we know who we're turning it into?
We can identify you by the hand.
Could I get your name so we can identify who we turn them into?
Can you receive these so we have confirmation they're received and not sitting here? All right, whoever has that hand. This is fucking ridiculous. We have to get to work, so we don't appreciate the games. We want to turn in our papers for court.
Actually, you have to do it. Don't just let it go. You need your name.
Oh, yeah. Excuse me. We need to turn in these court documents. Do you see them? You have something in the way blocking them. This is ridiculous.
Right there.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for at least acknowledging us. Appreciate it.
Until we get a name.
Well, yeah, because then they're going to try and claim, oh, we didn't receive
Either a
them.
name or a visual.
They try to claim, according to Donna spoke with them inside, and they claimed that they had no record of me trying to turn in a complaint on Tara. No record.
Do you guys want to turn in those papers? Angel, you got a letter in the mail, and that will explain to you your victim situation.
When did I get it?
I'm not sure you got it yet, but it went in the mail last week.
Oh. Can I have your name for that so we know who we turned it into, because there's no visual?
No, I'm sorry.
Why?
Do you want to turn in the papers or no? Nobody in this office is going to talk to you guys.
We don't want to talk to you. We just want you to accept it. Okay.
Okay, turning the papers, thank you.
Do you have an employee number? Are you aware you're abusing me as your victim? I would hope you're not the victim's advocate. Woman in the black, white, and brown. Should we get a copy? Ma'am, can we request a copy just where you guys show that you did get it? Yeah, since you want to identify, we want at least something showing you guys got it. I don't know why we're being treated different than other people would be treated. The LaSalle County States Attorney's Office does not discriminate. Yeah, right. Services are provided without bias to all. So they sent me something in the mail saying they're not going to do anything to him. I bet you. We'll see what
Has the right of your safety and your family's safety been considered?
No.
Is there anything else that we need to do with these?
There is nothing.
Alrighty.
Is there a reason you wouldn't identify? Is that normal practice as a public servant?
Apparently here it is. Alright.
No wonder Todd Martin don't want his card out here. Shame on you guys. I'll get hit by a car on the way home. I would hate to see that happen.
That'd be terrible.
That'd be awful. Let's see if they screen this mailman. Oh, she might have already came in. So the state's attorney's office treated us like crap. Treated us differently than anybody else. I've never met a state's attorney's office so far that would abuse a victim of crime in that way, refuse to speak to them, not give them any sort of anything for months, because I turned that in on December 18th. It happened on the 4th, and that's when I could come back and handle it. The man was saw on film battering me, and on their own film, Lieutenant Wolford called and had them allow me in because I was at the child support office where that man berated me for being there, claimed that I must break my vows because I was at that office, and shoved me more than once, got all up on me. So I believe that is strictly why they pressed battery charges against me, because they knew I would press them against Jim when he put his hands on me.
So I just wanted to let you know that urinal in the next room, we could run in again, it's leaking. It kind of sprays out a little bit.
It'll do it once in a while and
All right, thank you. All right, guys, well, we found some Tyrant broads in there. All we can identify them by is their hand. So that's the type of service you get at the LaSalle County States Attorney's Office. Go check out Justice Jake's channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to tell your friends. This is not the end of the story for this freaking wong-donk of an episode. These people are nuts and they need to be stopped. And we are working to stop them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Tell your friends. Bye.